Hey guys, it's Dreampoint Tech back again with another video, and in this one I'm going to show you guys how to download advanced level questions online for free. That's the ones from Cameroon. So it's very simple. You just have to head onto your browser, use Google preferably to search. Google of course is the boss of search engines. You might use Bing if you care, but of course we prefer Google. So once you type up whatever you want to type up in the search bar, just what we've just put in our own is Cameroon GCE A-level past questions and answers. So once you do that, you just hit search and you wait for Google to come up with the results. Of course, our site is up there, so you just click on the link to get into the website. So once you're in, you can see it's fairly rapid. It's a well-optimized page for your mobile phone, so you don't have to worry about losing a lot of data. So you just have to scroll down. You scroll down the page. You might want to join our group on Telegram or the Cameroon GC bot group we've created on Telegram. You can join there and give your useful comments and updates if you want. So just scroll down. Of course, the page has all instructions needed for you to be able to download your questions and answers without any hurdle. So you just scroll down, and right here you can see links to all the subjects offered at the Cameroon GC bot advanced level. So you just have to click on the link that you want to go to. For example, you can want to go to the biology, economics, history, geography, any other one you prefer. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download, say, let's choose geography. So we'll click on geography, wait for it to load, and we're already on that page. So all we need to do is just scroll down and go to where you have the various links to the past questions and answers. So you just have here, we can just have a test by clicking on, let's say, paper 2 of June 2017, which is available for download. So you just click there. So once you click, you're taken to our secure download page, because we don't want you to have any viruses in your phone, and for these purposes of security we have to import such a page to avoid robots harvesting our files for free. So once you're here, you just wait for the page to load. If this is your first time on this page, you can still go through down and read the download instructions stipulated there. So once you're done, you just need to go up and hit and get a link to your file. So once you do that, you're taken to this area where you just have to download your file for free. So once you click on that, all you need to do is wait, and the file will be available for you to download. So you just hit download, and that's it. Simple. Once you hit download, it's downloaded. You can open it on your smartphone, tablet, or whatever device you have and view the questions and answers for free. So that brings me to the end of this video. If you like the content, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and make sure you comment down below if this helped you. Let us know if there's some content we've not covered. We'll be very happy to hear from you, and so that we can make this channel grow. Until next time, bye bye.